So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you let's important updates about Digit Coin, its price prediction 2025, and its Binance exchange listing. Because friends, this meme coin is already listed on all tier 1 exchanges except Binance, including Coinbase listing. Okay, this meme coin is already listed on Coinbase but still not on Binance. So is it possible that we can see its Binance exchange listing in future or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, this is basically a Bastion project. You can see Digit Bash 0.018 current price, and you can see last 30 days performance is good, 110% pump here, and market already $322 million. But this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. You can see friends, $115 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. 36 billion coin supply, almost all in circulation. This is good. Bastion project is a smart contract platform and meme layer 3 on Bastion. This is awesome. You can see Bass and awesome, this is good. And you can see we are 71% down the install time high and 2000% up the install time low. They were 11 months ago. So performance from this meme coin is awesome. And you can see friends, many central exchanges have listed this coin. CoinX is listed, Bybit has listed, MEXC and BingX has listed, CoinW has listed, and major listing for this coin is on Coinbase. Okay, because you can see Coinbase has listed, KuCoin has listed, Bybit has listed, Gate.io has listed. So almost the central exchange listing is done, but there's no Binance yet. Binance is the major listing for this meme coin, and it's possible definitely we can see its listing on Binance in maybe coming few weeks or in coming few months, because market is already good and trading volume is good. So this is the reason, that's why is Binance listing also possible. Friends, I can see meme with the dream. Okay, so this is good. This is the meme coin and having a good team also. You can check us all further details on their website. You can see base address, Ethereum and Arbitrum addresses here. Transaction more than 2 million here. This is good. Price and full dilute valuation, and holder 393 793,000 holder for this meme coin. So this is good. Feature DFs, and you can check out all further details here, because this is also a meme coin and also a smart contract platform. So this coin has also very use case. So it's possible that definitely we can see this meme coin in $1 billion market next year, and also on Binance. Friends, I see more than 30,000 people has added this coin into their favorite list on CoinCo. 36,000 people are watching this meme coin every day on CoinCo. So this is awesome, and that is the reason, that's why we can see this meme coin skyrocketing next year mega balloon, because based in meme coins has massive hype right now. And after Bread, this is the second most market meme coin on best end. And because this is not a just meme coin, I can see layer 3 project, and in next year mega balloon definitely we can see layer 2 coins, sorry, layer 3 coins massive boom. So that is the reason, that's why this coin can be the next $1 billion market meme coin. And Binance exchange listing is left for this meme coin. That I think in few months, okay, if we can see definitely listing on Binance, because friends, few months ago this meme coin was in big dip here, almost 5 to 6x dumped from its current market, from its current price, and right now this meme coin is going upward here. So I think in next year mega bullion, definitely this meme coin can perform amazing, because Bastion meme coins has massive hype in crypto market after Solana meme coins, and because this is smart contract platform altcoin, you can see smart contract platform and also layer 3 projects. So that's why these two narratives are very amazing about this meme coins. There's possible that we can see its listing on Binance and its market cap in $1 billion. I think still this coin has potential to be the next 50x meme coin here. It's my own price prediction. What do you think? What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.